Hello everybody and good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to change our subject from the religious perspective to the young generation listeners who are trying to establish their future. So how we can guide them and how we can teach them how to achieve success in life. Let me tell you a story about Socrates, which we call, he was a great philosopher of Athens, of Yunnan. He used to run peripatetic school, which was basically that the way the school used to work, that the school used to be open all day and all night, and anybody can come in and they can ask any questions and they will answer them philosophically, logically, and they will make sure that that person or that student who is seeking knowledge goes with satisfaction. So one of the students went to him and he said, "Look, I want to be a successful. You are one of the greatest philosophers on this earth, and tell me the formula. Tell me the way I can be successful in this life." And Socrates, he didn't say nothing. He said to him, he said, "Walk behind me," and he took him to the river. And as soon as they walked into the river, what he did was that he dipped his head in the water and then held it tight. He said, "Look, unless I pull you out, you don't come out." So as soon as he dipped his head in the water and the guy held his breathing, well, he held it for a while, for maybe 50 seconds or a minute, and then he was struggling. He wanted to breathe. He wanted to breathe out. But there was no way that he could come out. He was thinking about various things. It took a while for Socrates to actually pull him out. As soon as he pulled him out, and he said to him that, "Look, what were you thinking when you were in the water, when you were unable to breathe and you were dying?" And he said to him that, "Look, I was desperate for one thing, and that is breathing. And that particular moment I was thinking only about one thing, and that is how I can breathe. I was hungry, I was dying for breathing." And Socrates said to him, he said, "Look, this is what success is, and this is how you can achieve. Because unless you are hungry for success, you cannot achieve it. We are the way God made us is that we tend to be successful. We are engineered for success, and that is how God made us. When we say failure means that we have not performed the way we should have performed, and failure is called underachievement in that particular field. So the first thing we learn today is that to be successful in life, you have to be hungry about success. Now, if you are hungry about success and you want to be successful, then you need to set a goal. And that goal will actually motivate you to achieve that aim. That goal gives you motivation to move forward. And life without any goal, you have to set the goals. Life without any goal is like a ship without a rudder. Life without any goal is like you are driving a car without a steering wheel. Can you drive a car and get to your destination without a steering wheel? The answer is no. So in order to get and go further towards your destination, all you need to do is you need to focus and set some goals in your life and then try to achieve them.